Plant managers, industrial producers, and OEMs reduce maintenance costs by up to 25% and achieve 99% faster incident response times, all with akenza. Industrial facilities run on finely tuned operations, yet mainly lack real-time insights into equipment status and site conditions. In a world where every hour of downtime can cost millions, you can't afford to operate blind. Don't miss the big picture. Gain full real-time visibility into your industrial site. Akenza helps you connect your industrial infrastructure and products in weeks, not years, with fewer resources spent on development, faster rollout, and quicker returns. For operation directors, plant managers, and OEMs, investing in IoT is about avoiding costly downtime and cutting waste, launching new revenue streams, and doing it all without vendor lock-in. Akenza helps you transform your industrial data into a competitive advantage. Track metrics such as temperature, vibration, and pressure by connecting sensors to existing machinery, enabling early anomaly detection and predictive maintenance. Monitor energy, material flows, and site conditions. Dashboards and 3D views reveal inefficiencies and let you improve processes, driving major energy and cost savings. For industrial sites running mixed legacy system, Akenza ties it all together, supporting Modbus, BACnet, KNX, and IoT sensors, so you can connect everything without costly replacements. By connecting equipment to Akenza, OEMs unlock new service offerings like predictive maintenance as a service, performance-based contracts, and remote monitoring, all under their own brand. The low-code features let R&D teams prototype and deploy connected products in weeks without heavy software expertise. Akenza's tech-agnostic approach gives you full freedom over hardware and networks, no lock-in, maximum flexibility. With ISO 27001 certification, role-based access control, and private cloud options, Akenza keeps your data secure and fully under your control. A standout example is Currenta Conneqtive, which provides Industry 4.0 solutions for chemical parks and industrial clients. They leveraged Akenza to implement real-time monitoring of critical infrastructure such as steam pipes. Thanks to Akenza, Currenta Conneqtive launched fully operational IoT projects in weeks instead of months, saving significant costs in both development and ongoing maintenance. Akenza is trusted in over 80 countries and has won multiple industry awards, including the IoT Breakthrough Award.